Hello guys, Jignesh Jain here, and as you can see this is our Redmi Note 7 Pro. Today this video would be a tutorial how to install the favorite Pixel XL ROMs. So basically this particular video will be a step-by-step tutorial to install the Pixel ROMs on our Redmi Note 7 Pro. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe and like this video, and let's get into it. So first of all, I assume that you already have installed the TWRP on your phone and you know how to use the TWRP. So let's get into it. First of all, go to the wipe and wipe Dalvik cache, system root, vendor and data. You'll also need to wipe the internal storage. So wipe that too. Once that's done, head towards the menu and select the manage partition, select data partition and format the data. It will ask you to confirm, just type yes and select. So this will wipe your data partition too. Once this is done, you will need to install the LOS ROM which is latest released. So I'll be linking the files in the description. Just go and download the files and install the LOS ROM, Lineage OS. So this will install the LOS. It will take 30 seconds to a minute. Be patient, install the ROM. It will patch system, vendor, boot, everything. Let it patch and install. Once this is done, if you want you can reboot and use this ROM, but we don't want to use this ROM. So what I'll do is I'll first of all mount the partitions. So mount system, vendor, everything up till data. You can also mount internal storage if you want to. Once you have mounted, head back to the file and select the pixel image which you have downloaded and select it as a system image. So this will flash the system image which we have downloaded. It will also take a minute or so. It will just flash the system image as we have selected. So once this is done, just head back to the menu, manage partition, data, and once again format the data. Also wipe data Dalvik cache and cache. You can skip this step, but I always use these steps because I always flash the ROM and delete everything, data partition and everything. You can also dirty flash if you want to and you are expert in this particular thing. Then just select reboot system. So once you have selected to reboot the system, it will automatically show you the Redmi logo by Xiaomi, and it will take some minutes to boot to the ROM itself. So as you can see, the splash screen has started. And it's trying to boot up completely. Please ignore the sound of my kid who is playing outside, and currently I'm at home due to the lockdown, so bear with me. So as you can see, the ROM has booted, and just press on OK. close app, and you can see which version it is. Okay, the version has not been written here, so it is just setting up the phone. I want to use it as portable storage. Done. And it's finishing the update. Let's head to the settings, and in settings, system, advanced, system update. Yes, it's finishing the update, so it will take time for this to reflect. Let's get that completed. So basically, as we have already flashed the DP4, so it's a DP4 itself. No need to wait and see what it is, what ROM it is. So you can also see that Play Store and all is already installed in this particular ROM, and it's a copy of Pixel. So yeah, you can see everything is working great, the padding and all. I'll say if you want to install, use this particular as base. You can also use the base of the previous Pixel DP2 ROM, which has been the previous Pixel ROM, which is best and bugless by Risma. In my previous video, just below this video, you will find that. You can also use that as your base vendor if you want to, and you can use this vendor also if you want to. So both are good, nothing to worry about. It depends on what do you want. But yeah, this is the Pixel DP4, and all the features which are already there in DP2 or say DP3 is available in this. Nothing great in this too, so I'll not be wasting your and mine time on showing you how to install or showing you what all features this particular ROM has. So this was it. If you like the video, please press the like button, and also I'll say subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.